House, the classification of houses. In Vedic astrology, the 12 houses are classified into groups such as Kendra houses, angular or quadrant houses, Trikona houses, trine houses, Upachaya houses, growth houses, Marka houses, death or killer houses, Dustina houses, malefic houses. Previously, some classified house groups were discussed as important ones. Here are some other additional classified house groups. Pinafera houses, succedent houses, apoklima houses, cadent houses, trikona houses are further classified into different types as dharma houses or trines, artha houses or trines, kama houses or trines, moksha houses or trines. Love what you see? Follow, like, comment, and share. It fuels the next drop.